Hi, I'm Michelle Dezember, the Director of Learning and Engagement at the Contemporary Art Museum in St. Louis. I'm honored to be part of the team that is producing Radio Resistance, a new format of public programs that accompanies the exhibition Stories of Resistance. When my co-producers Wassan El-Khoderi, Misa Jeffries, and I sat down to think about how to activate all the incredible stories that are being told through this exhibition, we asked ourselves, how can we actually invite deep listening? What formats will help us hear the connection points that here in St. Louis have with stories of resistance from around the world? We decided on the historically rebellious medium of radio and have created a limited-run audio program that we're really excited to share with you. Over the course of the exhibition, we'll be releasing 11 episodes that pair artists in the exhibition with figures from the past, present, and future of St. Louis. Their conversations illuminate connections across time and place in the fight for what's right. They remind us that the struggle for equity here matters to the struggle around the world and vice versa. We hope you find inspiration from these intimate conversations about resistance, even perhaps to broadcast your own. I add my thanks to St. Louis on the Air at St. Louis Public Radio for being partners in the biweekly broadcast of segments of these episodes, especially to Sarah Fenske, Laura Hamden, and Aaron Dorr. A big thanks goes to our sound designer and editor, Sean Pierce, who helped us visual people figure out the oral world. And most of all, my deep, deep gratitude goes to all the participants who have lent their voices to Radio Resistance. Check out the most current episodes in our listening station at the museum or on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts.